In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off quick add on Snapchat, so you can actually remove yourself from others' quick add. And let's begin from opening up Snapchat application and then hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Now there hit at gear icon and here in settings scroll all the way down until you find See Me in Quick Add. Just get into it. By default this option is enabled and it allows other users to find you via Quick Add. So if you want to turn off this feature, you can just hit at that switcher to not allow other people find you using Quick Add. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.